Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Mix Hub YouTube channel. Today I am here to tell you the more interesting and amazing news about smart home technology. In this technical aspect, our world is going to the next level to develop ourselves. In this aspect, our homes play a major role because we are living in a competitive world. This leads to unsafety to the people, so we need to develop our houses more than ourselves. In this, there are a lot of ways to improve or change our house to smart house. Please watch the video up to last. Before going to today's topic, I have something to share with you. Most of the viewers of my channel or my videos are not subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, it gives more motivation to me to make more videos. Okay, there is no further delay. Let us move into the video. Here, presenting you the more interesting topic, smart home technology. The Xsense home security system makes the perfect Christmas present for your family's safety. Now that Christmas is just a month away, you might be thinking about the best present for your family. Well, nothing makes a better gift for your family than safety, isn't it? So, this might be an ideal time to get yourself a home security system. Here, Xsense has just unveiled an incredibly affordable home security system with motion sensors, door, window sensors, and remote controls. One of the most affordable home security system on the market, Xsense. Xsense is committed to making smart home security accessible for everyone. Below we discuss why the Xsense home security system is the perfect Christmas present for your family's safety. It includes they are providing their accessories within the price of the family's purchase. It was suitable for small and big homes alike. The Xsense home security system includes all the components necessary to prevent break-ins. The 5-piece home security system includes a base station, 2 entry sensors, 1 motion sensor, and 1 remote control, making it ideal for smaller home with 3 points of entry. The 8-piece home security system includes a base station, 4 entry sensors, 2 motion sensors, and 1 remote control, making it ideal for homes with up to 6 points of entry. Motion sensor with a board detection range. The motion sensor features a 110 degrees detection angle with a range of up to 12 meters, that is 39 feet. Oh my god, that was really amazing, isn't it? If there's any movement within this area, which can roughly cover an entire room, you will be immediately receive a notification. As such, you can install the motion sensor in your common room or drawing room, that is the central part of your room. With this motion sensor installed, you can reset, assured that no one will break into your home undetected. Notifications when doors and windows are opened. The Xsense home security system comes with you entry sensors that you can attach your windows using tapes and screws. If your door or window is open when the security system is alarmed, you will receive an instant notification on your smartphone. Furthermore, you will also realize which window or door has been opened, so you can take the necessary actions immediately. The entry sensors should be attached to all points of entry on the ground floor. Complete connectivity around your home. The Xsense home security system uses the spread spectrum technology to facilitate communication and connection between all the components. The base station essentially has a cover range of 1.25 miles, which is more than enough for the largest of homes. Furthermore, the base station comes with up to 12 hours of battery backup in case there is a power outage, so you don't have to worry about losing. Real-time notifications and alarms. Whenever the Xsense home security system is triggered, it sends real-time push notification into your smartphone app. This allows you to take swift action. Furthermore, the home security system also triggers a 105 dB alarm, which is loud enough for your neighbors to hear. If someone is trying to break in, the alarm should be enough to send them packing. Control your home security from anywhere. The Xsense home security system can be customized and controlled using the smartphone app. Wherever you might be, whether you are at your home or on vacation, you can control every aspect of your home security system. The app allows you to alarm, disarm the system, change the motion sensor sensitivity, customize the base station sound, or select the alarm level. The Xsense home security system is designed such that it can be used by the homeowners and renters alike. You receive the system pre-configured, so there is no need to hardware any of the products. You need to simply connect the base station to the power outlet, attach the entry sensors to desired doors and windows, and follow a simple set of instructions. You can complete the entire process within a few minutes without any assistance. No additional contracts or monthly fees. Most home security systems only provide basic features and capabilities with the one-time purchase. They usually limit advanced features in order to compel you to sign contracts or enter subscriptions. However, the Xsense home security system gives you the access to all of the features without any contract or subscription fees, making it incredibly affordable and reasonable. Once you purchase the 5-piece or 8-piece system, you don't have to worry about additional expenses. The price of the 5-piece and 8-piece system was displayed on the screen. Please go through it. Because of all the features mentioned above, we confidently state that Xsense is one of the most reliable and affordable home security systems for your entire family. So as Christmas comes around, present yourself and your entire family with the gift of safety and peace of mind. Meet you with more interesting and amazing news in the next episode. Signing off, yours truly Naveen, Mix Hub YouTube channel. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe.